How to fix Instagram couldn't load activity error. So this issue might arise due to the connectivity issue. So in this case, what you want to do is you have to make sure that you are connected to stable Wi-Fi. Once you are connected to a stable network, now what you want to do is head over to your App Store. In the source bar, search for Instagram. And then head over to this app. Right here you can see the option of update, which means that you are not running the latest version of the app, and it might be one of the reasons that you are having this issue. In this case, simply tap on update and wait for this application to be updated. Once you have got the latest version of the app, now the next thing you want to try doing is head over to the settings of the device. Move into general and then head over to iPhone storage. In here, search for the application Instagram and then move into it. Once you're in this page, tap on Offload App. Once again, click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. Once done, check if the issue has been fixed or not. If not, then what you want to do is uninstall the application and then reinstall it. Most of the time, reinstalling the app has fixed the issue. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Instagram couldn't load activity error. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.